Hi everyone, it's Mr. Wyman, and I want to welcome you to week 10 of the school year. I'm making this little video to give you a preview of some of the things that we're going to be doing this week. There's a couple things that I want to show you so that you'll be more successful in your projects and activities for the week. One of the themes for this week is memories. We're going to be reading a few stories that talk about memories and discuss how they work and encourage us to remember special times in our lives. You could very well be writing about memories when you're writing your narratives this week. Remember, this is the week where you will be writing a story in a Google document and going back to it every day. And you'll see in our assignments that you are to reread the entire text every day. This should become habit, and you will find new things to change each day. I'll give you an assignment of what to look for and how to edit or revise your writing, and that will be a goal for you. But it'll definitely be filled with personal experiences that you've had, which are memories. The whole point of using your own memories to write your narrative is that you know so many details of what you've experienced. And being a good narrative writer is putting in lots and lots of details. Another thing that you're going to be writing this week are letters. You're going to be reading a story about letter writing. It's called A Pen Pal for Max. Have you ever had a pen pal? What is a pen pal? It's a person who you communicate with over and over, back and forth, using usually written form. That makes it a pen pal. What is super fun about having a pen pal is you have something to look forward to. One thing I like is the idea of the literature where you get to read and practice writing between you and someone you're interested in hearing from. In science this week, you're going to be learning about mixtures. Make sure you do your reading from your EFOS book and also write in your science journals along with making a Flipgrid video. I look forward to watching and hearing about what you learned this week. I'm not going to talk to you about every single thing that you're going to be doing this week, but I did want to mention math. In math this week, you're going to be learning about multiplication facts. What are multiplication facts? On page 107 of your math book, you're going to be filling in one of those boxes that will help you further your understanding about vocabulary. And for this particular page, you'll be exploring the idea of multiplication facts. What are multiplication facts? They are simply the answers to multiplication problems. You could also think of them as multiplication sentences or equations. They're two factors that are multiplied together in order to give you a product or answer to a multiplication problem. Now, you're going to be writing a definition, and I just gave you a few that you could copy. You could watch this video over again and copy exactly what I said and what you see here on your screen into page 107. Or put in your own definition. Here are some examples of multiplication facts. It's simply showing what you know. 2 times 4 equals 8. 3 times 3 equals 9. This week, we are going to be concentrating on the factors 0, 1, 2, 5, and 10. And in a second, I will show you another activity that you're going to do involving a multiplication chart. As you can probably tell, I used Sketches School in order to draw on these images that I took screenshots of. This is a multiplication chart. And the way that you use it is you look at the numbers on the side and you follow the row across until it gets to the column that you want to multiply the two numbers by, where the two numbers connect. You are going to be filling in the products or answers of multiplication problems according to the columns and rows of this chart. And as you can see, I'm showing you how to follow the row across until it gets to a number. You're going to be filling in this entire row full of answers. I'm showing you what it looks like on a particular square, but you're going to fill in all the squares of that column and all the squares of that row for the numbers 1, 2, 5, and 10. You could very well still have some questions and need help on this activity, but I hope that at least seeing it helps you visualize what you are supposed to be doing. And that's it for my little welcome to week 10 video. I wanted to just run through a couple things so that you knew what to expect for the week. I'm excited about all the cool learning that we're going to do and fun, exciting activities. And if you saw in one of the assignments, I believe it's the science assignment, those of you who do everything that you're supposed to, and I have all the information in my checklist, I have an incredibly exciting assignment for you to do. I say assignment, but you're not going to want to miss it. It might have something to do with robots.